Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you how to get onto Sharepoint, which is Colorado State University's Housing and Dining staff's main website for submitting program forms. As an RA, you're going to have to get on here quite a bit to submit program information about hall programs, floor programs, bulletin boards, or floor meetings. So it's pretty important that you figure out how to navigate to it and submit a program. So the first step is to open up a web browser. Doesn't matter what kind. Safari, Chrome, Firefox, they all work equally well. So then type in secure.colostate.edu and hit search. Once we're brought to this page, we're going to go to the upper right hand corner here and we're going to type in mos.hds.colostate.edu and hit browse. After we're brought here, you're going to have to enter the username and password for your building. These will be provided to you by the residence director or some other supervisor. There used to be an issue where only one RA could sign in at a time, but that has since been fixed, so you can all use the same one for your building and everyone will be able to sign in at the same time. So I'm going to enter the credentials here. Awesome, so now I'm brought to the main SharePoint website. There's lots of other links that you can go and explore around with, but for most of the time that you're on here, you're just going to scroll down to the bottom to the My Favorites area and click on the link that says Programming Forms. So after you click the link, you'll be brought to here. This is going to have all the programs that have happened in Ingersoll, just because I work in Ingersoll, but it'll be your building. They were from all the other RAs. You can click on them and see what other RAs have been doing, or you can click on it to go back in and edit your own form and get ideas from other RAs. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how you make a new one. So we're going to go to the upper left hand corner here where it says New and click the button. It's going to load the programming form and you can start to fill all of this out. A word of warning before you do this all though: when you have a file that you want to attach, sometimes they're too large for SharePoint to actually accept. If this happens after you click submit, you'll be taken to a blank page and your computer will just be stuck there. To get out of it, you just hit the back button and it'll take you back to this form, but any information you had entered will be erased. So I suggest to try and upload a picture or whatever file you have before you fill out the form to make sure that it's going to work. Anything that's marked with a red asterisk has to be filled out before it'll let you submit the program. And like I said earlier, you can submit things about floor programs, bulletin boards, and anything else that you really do programming wise. And this just shows you all the different classes that you can submit about. I'm sure if we haven't already in training gone over the difference between active and passive programming, we will. And then if you scroll down here to if this program has already happened, if you select yes, additional questions will appear that you'll have to fill out. Notice, however, none of them actually have a red asterisk, so if you're filling out a bulletin board, usually these questions don't apply. And then you can hit submit. If you're just doing this program as a proposal and you need your supervisor to approve it before you do, you select no, and then you can hit submit for approval. After they approve it, you can go back into it and select it and go down to the bottom to where it says yes or no again and hit yes, and then you'll be able to fill out the rest of it. I can't actually do it with any of these because I don't know if anyone has a program proposal on here that they haven't finished. So other than that, that's pretty much it for submitting a program on SharePoint. Thanks for watching.